This exercise is called rolling, and it's really going to challenge the coordination of your abdominal region while you're moving your entire body. So again, we're going to start in this position. We're going to generate that pressure by pushing the elevator to about the 5th floor, making sure the ribs move down as we do that. Arms are going to come up, pointing to the ceiling. Again, we want relaxed shoulders to the table, elbows relaxed, hands relaxed. Then we're going to lift the knees one at a time, again pointing them out to the side and not directly at our chest. Second knee comes up. And from here, we're going to roll about a quarter of the way to our right side, a quarter of our way to our left side. And the key components of this exercise are making sure the ribs stay in that down position. We maintain the pressure in our abdominal region, very good, and that we move our hips and our shoulders at the same time. So we're not twisting in the middle. So come on back, Tyler, so I'm doing it wrong. So what we don't want to have happen is the legs go before the arms, and we certainly don't want the arms or the upper body going before the legs. So right here, good. Drop that down, excellent job. And then let's initiate that roll. Very good. We want to feel the work happening, the initiation of the movement happening right here in the trunk. We don't want the knees to come closer together, the arms to come closer together. Come onto your back and maintain that pressure. Don't let your back arch. And now roll towards me. Very, very good. And Tyler at the end there lifted his head, which is fine. If you have the ability to lift your head and not lose the control of your trunk, it's totally fine. It makes the exercise a little bit harder. And onto your back. And when you come out of this, one leg down at a time, keeping the ribs in the right position, keeping that push, and then the arms come down. And relax.